Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you pay for the no ads option and Smash Fest, but you're still seeing ads after purchasing? This is the most reported Smash Fest complaint. Here's how to fix it. First, go ahead and fully reopen Smash Fest from your recent app since the no ad purchases sometimes takes a server sync to activate and a fresh session triggers that check. After reopening, go inside the Smash Fest to its settings or your profile menu and look for a restore purchase option. Tap it. This sends a request to the App Store to confirm your no ads purchase is active on your account and tells the game to remove ads immediately. On iPhone, purchases are tied to your Apple ID, so if you reinstall or switch phones, you need to restore purchase to relink them. If restore purchases do not work and the ads are still showing, go to your settings, tap on your Apple ID in the top, and then go to subscriptions and confirm that Smash Fest no ads purchase is listed and active. If the charge went through but it's not showing, contact Apple support directly for a refund rather than the developer, since App Store's purchases are Apple's responsibility to process. So all you've got to do is reopen the app, tap restore purchase in settings, no ads activates, check your Apple ID purchase history if still shows ads, and that's it. Subscribe.